Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Shri Timothy Jones Dhar, Government ITI Shillong.
Timothy Jones Dhar, Nonghikai ha ITI Shillong, but Madhav Singh, Nonghikai ha Subject Science ha Alpha School Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Kilong ki arngot na megalea na pering hinyo pesan ngut ki Nonghikai na kelenggeri. Kibala syajid banyak pediang yang National Teachers Award na ka Presiden Jonggeri India. Ka Draupadi Murmu ha ka santrik ulai luar Arja Apulai ha New Delhi. Ubabu Dhar ude mekanik snakali ha Juwai West Giant Hills ha Khusnam ka khandai spa khandai pupra. Ula Shathung ku Mechanic Motor Vehicle Inspector ha Shillong Industrial Training Institute Renja nadu Snam Arja khatlai. Ubabu Madhav pat ude ubasa hanong po. Ubala pendap ya kejing puli hari boy bat ula pendap ya ke MSc Botany B.Ed bat menta ula jan pendap ru wat ya kejing puli LLB. Ngilayo ru banyak keren bau principal jong ka ITI Renja Ukraining sangma kumjuru bau supervisor UN Chowdhury halo kejing yo Khusnam jong ba Timothy Jones Dhar.
Shri Timothy Jones Dhar, Government ITI Shillong. Madhav Singh, Meghalaya.
Many times we have nominated for this kind of award before also in the past, but this is the first time that we have received such kind of award. So it is a proud moment for us, and then we are happy, and then I would like to encourage my fellow instructor to strive for such kind of excellency, or excellent I can say, so that more and more trainees will come, and then more and more instructor will be motivated in the future to excel in this field, and then to strive for the excellence I can say. So so in one way I would like to encourage to go for better and then higher training also for all of my instructor, so that we can bring quality training here and skill training here. So it's a proud moment for me, and then I'm expecting more and more in the future.
On behalf of IT Shillong, I would like to say you that not only me, even all the staff, including our principal sir, so we are very much happy to come to know the news about the national award to our Mr. TJ Dhar, motor mechanic instructor. So as soon as we have come to know that he already nominated and finally he has selected for getting this national award from President of India. So in that sense, I would like to say, so it will help us a lot, because all the staffs, especially the instructors who has been here for last long times, and they have trying best to do some more means achievement. So they have given a good teaching to our trainees, and I hope that they will be now more encouraged and do the best for getting again like this national award from President of India.